48 unit any 10 marks QUE send ion answer the below matter. Cell referencing in Microsoft Excel allows you to identify and work with specific cells in a spreadsheet. There are 4 main types of cell referencing. 0. Point 1 Relative referencing adjusts cell references automatically when copied to other cells. Example, a 1 becomes a 2 if copied down. Point 2 Column chart, vertical bars to compare data across categories. Point 3 Bar chart, horizontal bars for comparing data between categories. Point 4 Line chart, shows trends over time or categories using lines. Point 5 Pie chart, circular chart to show proportions of a whole. Point 6 Area chart, line chart with filled area below the line. Point 7 Scatter plot, displays relationships between two variables. Point 8 Bubble chart, displays relationships with three variables, x, y, size. Select data. Highlight the data range, including labels, you want to visualize. Point 1 Insert chart. Go to the Insert tab. Choose the desired chart type, column, line, pie, etc. Point 2 Adjust data. Modify or add data series using the Select Data option. Point 3 Position and resize. Drag to position and resize the chart as needed on the worksheet. Formatting charts. 1 Chart styles. Use the Chart Styles options under the Design tab to change colors and styles. 2 Chart elements. Add or remove chart elements like titles, axis, and data labels using the plus button next to the chart. Apply different chart layouts to adjust the arrangement of chart elements. Right-click on chart elements to access formatting options, colors, lines, fills. 3 Titles and labels. Edit chart titles and access labels directly by clicking on them. Save the Excel file to preserve the chart's formatting. Copy charts to other applications or save as images for presentations. Accessed from the Data tab, Advanced in the Sort and Filter group. 4 Text filters, filter based on text criteria, e.g. equals, C contains. 5 Number filters, filter numeric data, example, greater than, top 10. 6 Date filters, filter by date ranges or specific dates. 7 Working with filters. Easily apply filters to columns to view subsets of data. Clear filters to display all data again or reapply filters as needed. What if analysis, explore different scenarios by changing variables. Advanced functions, lookup, index, match, sumifs, etc. for complex data manipulation. Conditional formatting, format cells based on specific rules to highlight trends. Point 1 Mathematical and trigonometric functions. Sum, adds numbers. Average, calculates average. Sin, cos, tan, trigonometric functions. Round, rounds a number. Point to statistical functions. Count, counts cells with numbers. Counter, counts non-empty cells. Median, finds the median. STDEV, estimates standard deviation. Point 3 Text functions. Concatenate or concat joins text strings. Left, right, E extracts characters from text. Lay, gets text length. Trim, removes extra S spaces. Point 4 Date and time functions. Today, current date. Now, a current date and time. Date, creates a date. Day, month, year, extracts date components. Point 5 Lookup and reference functions. Lookup, looks up values in a table. Lookup, horizontal lookup. Index, returns a cell value from a range. Match, finds the position of a value. Point 6. Logical functions. If, conditional statement. And, see hex if all conditions are true. Or, checks if any condition is true. Not, reverses a logical value. Point 7. Financial functions. PMT, loan payment calculation. FV, future value of an investment. PV, present value of an investment. Rate, interest rate per period. Point 8. Engineering functions. Convert, converts units. DEC to hex, decimal to hexadecimal. Hex to DEC, hexadecimal to decimal. Point 9. Information functions. Is number, checks if a value is a number. Is blank, checks if a cell is empty. Error.type, identifies error type. Type, identifies data type. Point 10. Database functions. DSUM, sums database fields. Dcount, counts database fields with numbers. Headers and footers, customize with page numbers, worksheet name, date, etc. Preview, use print preview to check layout before printing. Point 11. Printing chart. Embedding, decide if chart stays in worksheet or on separate sheet. Adjust size, resize chart for optimal print visibility. Settings, configure print options like scaling and layout adjustments. Quality, ensure clarity for lines, text, and colors. Macros. Record, view, and run macros for automating tasks. View options. Show formulas, hide unhide rows, columns, sheets, and manage custom views. Switch windows, navigate between open workbooks, compare side by side, and synchronize scrolling.